The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the iPhone XR Verizon Prepaid. So Verizon Prepaid finally got the iPhone XR, and it's available now. It's available in 6 colors here, available in 3 storage options, and so yeah, if you guys are looking to get the iPhone XR on Verizon Prepaid, it is now finally available. So that is good. So it's available on 64 gig, 128 gig, or 256 gig. So the 64 gigabyte iPhone XR, $749.99. 128 gig iPhone XR, $799.99, and then the 256 gig iPhone XR, $899.99, guys. Over it. And like I said, it's available in 6 colors. You got red here, you got white, you got light yellow, you got a coral, like a coral brownish color or whatever. You got blue, and you got black. So yeah, it's available in these colors here. There's the front of the phone there, and here's the back of the iPhone XR. Alright. So yeah, so it says here, all new liquid retina display, the most advanced LCD in the industry, the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone, and a breakthrough camera system. iPhone XR Prepaid. It's beautiful any way you look at it. Comes in product red, yellow, white, coral, black, and blue colors subject to availability, of course, so do keep that in mind. So you're getting the red iPhone XR. It's a product red edition, so that's pretty dope. It says get the most out of your iPhone XR with Verizon, the nation's largest and most reliable 4G LTE network. So yeah. So the iPhone XR has 25 hours of usage time, 12 megapixel rear camera, 7 megapixel front facing camera, 2.98 inches in width, and 5.94 inches in height there, right? The depth, I have no idea. Introducing liquid retina. The new 6.1 inch display on the iPhone XR is the most advanced LCD in the industry, and innovative bright light backlight design allows the screen to stretch into the corners so you can see true to life color from one beautiful edge to the other. Alright? All screen makes the difference. So they comparing the iPhone XR to the iPhone 8 Plus right there. See how much more room you'll have for everything you love to do. Exceptional materials, guys. The most durable front glass ever in the smartphone. Precision machine, aerospace grade aluminum bands, water and dust resistance, 7-layer color process, and 6 stunning new finishes. Wireless charging. The glass back allows the iPhone XR to charge easily and wirelessly, so that is always nice to have. Advanced Face ID, of course. Security is simple. When your face is your password, you can unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay for things with a glance. It's the most secure facial authentication ever in a smartphone, and now it's even faster. Intelligent A12 Bionic chip. So this is the chipset inside the iPhone from last year. This is the smartest, most powerful chip in a smartphone with Apple's next generation neutral engine for amazing augmented reality experiences, incredible portrait with depth control, and speed and fluidity in everything you do. Breakthrough camera system. The world's most popular camera is defining a new era of photography, where an innovative sensor works with the ISP and neutral engine to help you create photos like never before. It has portrait mode, of course. A lot of phones have that now, obviously. iPhone XR uses a single lens camera and machine learning to keep people in the foreground and sharp focus against an artificially blurred background. All need depth control. This is a feature on the front-facing camera. Oops, my bad. Now you can adjust the depth of field in portraits as you shoot. Of course, that's pretty good. It's my HDR, of course. It says new secondary frames, a secondary sensor, and powerful A12 bionic chip brings more highlight and shadow detail into your photos. So it has all that good stuff on there. Yeah, you guys know what the specs are and features are of the iPhone XR. And it has a 12 megapixel camera on back and true depth front facing camera. Capture your world using a 12 megapixel camera with an f1.8 aperture wide angle lens and 2 times faster sensor for smart HDR across your photos, or record 60 frames per second videos over the true depth camera f2.2 wide angle lens. Alright, so those are the features of the iPhone XR. Y'all guys know the specs. What you guys get in the box is obviously your standard Apple stuff, so nothing too special here. It's basically your standard iPhone stuff. You guys get the iPhone XR with iOS 12 prepaid installed. You guys get AirPods with Lightning connector, Lightning to USB cable, USB power adapter, and documentation, of course. The iPhone XR on Verizon Prepaid has LTE Advanced with 50% faster speeds and more than 450 cities from coast to coast. It's a world device, so you can use it into over 200 countries. Depending on your plan, of course, it's 25 hours of talk time. Camera 12 megapixel rear, 7 megapixel front. The iPhone XR weighs 6.84 ounces. The width is 2.98 inches width, and the height is 5.94 inches height and 0.33 inches depth. The screen size is 6.1 inches diagonal, all-screen LCD multi-touch display with IPS technology. Built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, iOS 12, of course. Available in 6 colors: yellow, white, coral, black, blue, or product red. And it's also available in 3 storage options, of course: 64 gigs, 128 gigs, or 256 gigs. Network, it has all these bands there. It has Wi-Fi 802.11, AC Wi-Fi with 2x2 MIMO there. It has HD voice, of course. Experience HD voice and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling, make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. Available on iOS 9.3 or red if you guys are on the iPhone. So do keep that in mind. If you guys need help with your iPhone XR, Verizon is here to help you with that with the iPhone XR support page for the prepaid iPhone XR. So if you guys need help, check that out. And so, yeah, there it is, guys. iPhone XR now available at Verizon Prepaid. Available in 6 colors and 3 sorts of options. So, yeah, this is supposedly the budget iPhone of the 2018, but yeah, it's not much of a budget in terms of price, but you know, it is what it is. It looks nice, you know what I'm saying. It's available in 6 colors. My favorite color on this iPhone is white, black, and coral, so that's just my opinion. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get an iPhone XR on Verizon Prepaid, it is now here finally after a few months of waiting. Verizon Prepaid finally now got the iPhone XR. I don't know why it took them this long to get the iPhone XR, but late is better than never. So now they got the iPhone XR on Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys want to get it with no contract on Verizon Prepaid will be your way to get the iPhone XR outright. Alright, so that is pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.